The food industry in Korea has matured and developed over a long period of time. From traditional kimchi and sauces to modern convenience foods, confectionery and beverages, Korea's food processing industry covers a wide range of products. These products are not only in high demand in the domestic market but are also exported around the globe. Sarah, the manager of a Korean food processing plant, wanted to find out how Reeman's robot chassis and delivery robot customize delivery tasks and connect it to the needs of the food processing plant's delivery robots.
Does the handling robot have sufficient load capacity to carry our food ingredients and finished products?
AMR robot are available in different models with a load capacity of 80 kilograms, 100 kilograms, and 300 kilograms and consist of a sheet metal structure that is stable and undeformed and can adapt to the complex environment and tight spaces of food processing plants.
Does the delivery robot provide sufficient automation to running?
The robot chassis is configured with a top-lift AGV customization solution. The robot chassis can be raised or lowered in height when required, thus adapting to different work scenarios and task requirements and enhancing the flexibility, customization, efficiency, and safety of the delivery robot. This results in improved transport efficiency and workflow automation.
Can robots autonomously avoid obstacles and obey traffic rules?
The delivery robots use laser SLAM plus 3D camera fusion technology with superb environmental awareness to achieve intelligent obstacle avoidance and autonomous navigation. Reeman's unique autonomous scheduling system automatically plans the optimal path and delivers food to the designated location in an orderly manner. Robot delivery supports ladder control. Delivery tasks on different floors can be realized.
Is the interactive interface of the delivery robot easy for factory staff to operate?
Of course, the delivery robot only needs to select the corresponding destination point on the screen for one-touch delivery. No additional programming is required. What was the opportunity that made you want to buy a delivery robot?
The food industry in Korea is very well developed. However, there is a labor shortage in some areas. The labor gap can be filled by the use of distribution robots, which can automatically transport finished products or raw materials from one place to another within food processing plants without manual operation. Improving the efficiency of distribution reduces the time and cost of manual operations. At busy times, workers are particularly prone to errors, such as delivering food to the wrong location or confusing orders. Delivery robots, on the other hand, can make accurate and reliable deliveries with pre-programmed paths and instructions, reducing the risk of human error. It also facilitates the innovative development of food processing plants and enhances the image of the company.
Reeman Robotic, a provider of advanced commercial service robots, continues to offer high-quality, customized delivery solutions to the factory industry.